I'm here to do an updated video on my exhaust system. I'm running hooker headers. Found the easiest way to install them is to jack the car up and put them in from underneath. It clears the steering shaft. It's pretty close. That little rubber plate between the rack and the steering shaft does hit the exhaust a little bit, but it does not interfere with the steering at all. And underneath the car, right there is the underneath of the header. I got it clamped together. 2.5 piping into cats, which blew out. They're no longer cats, they're just hollowed out cats. Into a collector, 2 into 1, 2.5 in, 3-inch out, 3-inch single pipe the whole way back, up and over the axle. Three-inch into the muffler, which is an IMCO race muffler. Pretty close to the same style as the Super 10 Flowmaster. And a 2.5 out. I don't think you can route 2.5 around this side of the gas tank. That's why I put mine behind the gas tank. Right out, back and out. Sounds good to me. I like it. Give it a little sound. If you're running under and about the tips, they're 2.5 with a 3-inch face. That's all.